Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a sweet and golden delight. Soft and crispy Gulgula. It's quick, comforting and perfect for tea time. Let's begin this yummy recipe. In a bowl, pour half cup warm milk, add 3 tablespoons sugar and 1 teaspoon yeast. Mix it well and keep it aside for 5 minutes to activate. Make sure the milk is just warm, not hot, to activate the yeast properly. Now add 1 cup all-purpose flour. Add 2 teaspoons milk powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda and half teaspoon salt. Sieve and combine all dry ingredients. Mix well for 2 to 3 minutes until you get a smooth batter. Mix the batter oil to trap air for soft and fluffy gulgulas. Now cover and let it rest for 40 minutes. Let the batter rest long enough to rise well. Heat oil on medium flame. Carefully drop small portion of the batter. Don't overcrowd the oil while frying. It helps them cook evenly. Using milk powder adds a bit of protein and richness. You can replace sugar with jaggery for a healthier twist. Frying in moderate heat prevents oil absorption. Homemade treats are always better than store-bought sweets. Do you love traditional sweets like this? Comment below. Fry until golden brown and crisp. Did you know Gulgula is one of the oldest Indian-style fried sweets? It's often made during festival and village fair. Traditionally, jaggery was used instead of sugar. Some regions even add fennel seeds for extra flavor. Your delicious Gulgula is ready to enjoy. Have you tried Gulgula before? Share your version with us, like and share this video if it made you smile. And don't forget to subscribe to Oven Cake and Cookies for more recipes. Your golden puffy Gulgulas are ready to serve. They are crispy outside and soft inside, just like we want. Thank you for watching Oven Cake and Cookies.